So, you've been hearing a lot about NFTs lately. All these influencers and social media people are telling you to go and buy an NFT. They are changing their profile pictures to these funny monkeys and they're talking about them on chat shows. And you're trying to figure out, what the hell is an NFT? Is it a scam? And if it isn't a scam, should I pay attention to NFTs? So what is an NFT? An NFT stands for non-fungible token, which basically allows proof of ownership to happen for assets. And this is the first time that we are able to own digital assets. NFTs live on the blockchain, and the blockchain is a decentralized ledger. Basically, it allows you to see transactions, money in, money out, and to trade that money from one account to another account without using a third-party business like a bank. It allows us to see every transaction on the blockchain. If you think of your bank, you can't see any transactions. In the blockchain, every transaction is visible. But why is that exciting? And why should I care about NFTs? So if you ever had to go into a bank and to buy and to sell something or to trade money, you would always have to go through a business. This can take time, it can take money, and they always charge fees. They are in control of your money, and we want to get away from that, allowing people to own their own assets, currencies, digital items, and have proof of ownership where they don't need to have third-party businesses to prove that they own those assets. NFTs are helping startups, communities, and brands to grow. Think of owning the copyrights for Mickey Mouse before Mickey Mouse became a household name. Artists don't need to go to galleries and pay them 70%. Authors and musicians don't need to go to businesses and give them most of their profits. NFTs allow you to assign value to your goods and to prove that ownership. NFTs are also transferable. So if you think of purchasing a digital painting and you want to sell it, you don't want to own it anymore for whatever reason, then you can do that by going to a marketplace and selling your NFT to people. There are games that people have been playing for years where you can purchase an outfit or a skin that is only possible to use in that game. So what if instead you could purchase Prada shoes, Nike shoes, and you could get a digital copy of those shoes because you've purchased the physical one, and you can get your character to wear those in any game online. You can go to meetings or do other things with those fancy shoes. It is again proof of ownership. It allows you to show off what you care about, what you collect, and what you think about. People will see that you've got your Prada shoes and that you align with that brand. The possibilities of NFTs are endless. It all depends what you want to enter into that contract. And that contract can be pretty much anything. NFTs are usually to do with art pieces or with games, but the industries are expanding and the possibilities of NFTs are really limitless. So, how can you buy NFTs? NFTs can be purchased in many places. The two biggest ones are the Ethereum network and the Solana network. Now, to be able to first buy those NFTs, you need to add Ethereum or Solana into your own wallet. So you can get a free wallet that you own alone, again, no bank. And the main two that you would use are MetaMask for Ethereum or the Phantom wallet for Solana. What you need to do first is to go to an exchange and to swap your euros or USD for Ethereum or Solana. You then transfer that money from the exchange into your MetaMask wallet or your Phantom wallet, which you had set up for free just beforehand. Then you go to a marketplace to buy and sell the NFT. If you're looking to buy an Ethereum NFT, you go to Solana is the main one. If you're going to buy or sell a Solana NFT, you go to Magic Eden. So why are NFTs valuable? NFTs basically use supply and demand. NFTs will have a fixed supply, and if the demand keeps changing, then the price is going to go up. If there are only 10,000 NFTs, but 20,000 people want to purchase one, then the price is going to keep going up until people are not willing to spend more money. Think of artists. Think of the artist Banksy. If Banksy decides to sell his art pieces as NFTs, then he could sell one art piece as 10,000 NFTs with a fixed supply. And if there's 20,000 people that want to buy it, then expect to be paying more and more money because you've waited. Banksy has actually already done this, where you are able to buy and sell a fraction of one of his art pieces already. So now we're going to jump onto my computer and we will have a look at actually purchasing an NFT to help you understand that process to purchase the NFT and to get yourself involved further in the NFT ecosystem. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go onto Opensea, which is Ethereum's largest marketplace. So we'll go to opensea.io and we will have a look at purchasing an NFT. So when you come into Opensea, you can check out all of the collections. We're going to go straight to the top collections on Opensea and we're going to have a look at what NFT we want to purchase. So what we have here is the money that's been traded for that NFT collection, if the price is increasing or decreasing over 1 day or 7 days. The floor price is the lowest price available that you can purchase one of those NFTs. So we're going to have a look at the Clone X collection by Nike, and the lowest priced NFT is 15 Ethereum, 14.7 Ethereum. And we know there are 19,000 NFTs total, while there are 8,000 individual people holding those NFTs. So there's roughly 2 NFTs for every person that is holding them. You will go to the collection that you would like to purchase from. You'll go to the collection that you'd like to purchase from, and in front of us we have the project name. If it's a verified collection, so make sure that you only ever buy verified collections. Don't click links. If you're in Discord or any other messaging place, don't click direct messages or DM links. That is the surefirest way that you're going to find that you are going to get scammed. So there are 19,000 items or 18.8 thousand NFTs in this collection, 8.2 thousand owners, 14.7 Ethereum floor price, and there have been 119,000 Ethereum traded for this collection. So it's a very large collection, there's a lot of owners, and the price is very high. So what we do is we can filter on the left hand side by buy now, and it automatically shows us the cheapest NFT going down to more and more expensive ones. Now I've got a sneaky tool that is live at the moment that I'll show you how to use in a second. That is giving us extra information here. It's showing us all of the rankings for all of these NFTs, the percentile of where those NFTs are, which can help us quickly identify a cheaper costing one. So beforehand, people would send you to a website called Rarity.tools, and you would go to the collection that you want to have a look at. I'll go into the Clone X collection. This then shows you the full collection and the prices related to the collection. What we want to do on the left hand side is we want to put a max price that we're willing to buy an NFT of today, and this will now show us all of the NFTs starting from the top left with the most rare NFT. So what can happen is people could be selling their NFTs because they need money, or because they didn't realize their NFT is much rarer than is already available for that price point. So we can see this one here is 28 Ethereum. So what we can see here is this one is the 600th most rare NFT, while it's got 28 Ethereum cost. And as we go further down, we can see people have 27 Ethereum cost, but it's the 2,300th most rare. So this one, from a rarity point of view, looks like a much better NFT to purchase. And if you're looking to buy and sell, then it could help you buy undervalued NFTs and sell them for more. Okay, so what we're looking at here is, so what we're going to do is we're going to pick one of the more rare NFTs that we want. So we're going to ignore the least rare ones, and we're going to say between this one here and this one that we want to decide between the two of them. I prefer this one myself, even though it's less rare. So I'm listening to my own preferences while taking into account the rarity, and then I'll click onto the individual NFT and I can either make an offer, so I could try lowball them if I'm not in a rush and offer them less money, and potentially that's another way to snipe a rare NFT for less cost. If you want to purchase the NFT now, you would click buy now, and this is going to connect into your MetaMask wallet, which you would have already downloaded and added as a Chrome extension. What we can see is the transaction that is about to happen, telling us the NFT name, the cost, and it also shows us the creator fee. So creators, the original owners, in this case Nike, would be able to earn 5% royalties from every sale that happens for these NFTs. This is a way the NFT collections keep growing and the businesses keep being able to put more money back into the collection to help grow the ecosystem of the collection. We don't have enough money in this wallet to purchase. We don't have $48,000 to purchase this NFT today. But what you would do is you would click confirm checkout and you would click authorize, and then the transaction would happen. The NFT would then end up in your wallet, and then you'd be going home with a fat wallet of NFTs that you're looking to show off to your friends and to keep collecting. So the name of the extension that we're looking at to see all of this extra information about what the most rare NFT is without leaving Opensea is called NFT Init. So we will go to nftinit.com and we will download the free Chrome extension. We don't need to authorize this website to see our wallet, so we will just download the Chrome extension for free, and then that is going to add all of this extra information into Opensea, helping to give you more information about the NFT that you're buying. That's been the video for today, guys. I hope you got a lot of value from it. Got any questions, just let me know. Till the next video, have a good day, guys.